Welcome everybody, Noel here again. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm not going to keep you guys long on the introduction. Today is Jamaica Carnival 2026 or Carnival in Jamaica 2026. And you know, today I am walking with YardMas band. So I'm not gonna keep coming too long. I'm going to head right back down into the excitement. I had to step back to capture audio, proper audio. So make sure you like the video from early on. If you're not watching on the TV, open your phone and drop a like. And just leave it to play and just enjoy the music and the good vibes. Yeah. And if you're watching with children, it's okay for them to watch just this one time because it's Carnival. And if you don't want them to watch it, then you might make enough from now. There will be people enjoying life, adults enjoying whining and jumping and shaking and drinking. So you can tell them simple from now. Alright, I'm on the video.
Respectful trip.
Aye. Yeah, I do that,
If your drink is half full, it also means it's half empty. So go fill up your drink. Check on your friend, make sure that they're no fashion. You understand? Please. Final question.
People, the vibes turn up. Let's see if we can go to the exact front of the carnival right now. Because a lot of people down that side, but there's no truck. Yeah. Yeah man people, so this is Carnival 2026. We are with YardMas, just in case you are wondering or if you did not know. YardMas Carnival 2026. And right now we are at the front of the march, leading it on. If you're there and I don't know, active right now, drop a like, and go and sit back and relax. If you're watching on your TV, go put your phone and like the video. Yeah. I just sit back and relax and watch what you miss out on. So take a quick break.
real strong. Big up the preaching y'all about this truck for the preaching y'all.
Big up Jamaica at the party right now. Nature Island. Show them. This is our
either go in front or behind. Hold around. Very, very, very sharp turn. So everybody please either go in front or go behind the truck. Bumps it still right. Bumps it still. Bumps it still. Right here. Hold it right here. Ryan, we'll let the truck go through, then we'll go back to the vibes. Right? The truck's in front, not moving yet. So we gonna play some song until the truck starts to move. We gonna play some song on call. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, 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 hey. You do it. Hey.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Only fans of soul. Put your hands up in the air. Only fans of soul. Put your hands up in the air. Only fans of soul. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands in the air. Right now, and push them up and up and up, up and up, up and up. You see we up and up and up, up and up, up and up. Everybody up and up and up, up and up, up and up. So see we.
Lunchtime, 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 lunchtime. After 12:30, we gon' get dirty. After 12:30, we gon' get dirty. Hold on.
Go get your lunch.
Yo, Akeem, me and go warrior. Phenomenally for turn that down, bro.
Alright, so it's now lunchtime, my people. I'm currently on the truck.
Yeah, you can stop.
I breeze out. So at lunchtime. So we're heading over there now to get lunch. Time come so far. Alright people, so right now it is currently lunch time. So our music is stopped, everybody I come to a stop now and get some food and drink. So we're gonna show that now. I think we need armband to enter in here. Well, I still am checking the armband. I have mine still, so it's not an issue. Yeah man people, so if you have never yet been to Carnival, let me know in the comment section. We're having a quick intermission. Well, let me know that in the comment section. And if you have been to Carnival, when last you come to Carnival, did you enjoy it? Let me know all of that. And where am I supposed to go? Okay. Over there. Okay. Almost in here, sir. In inside lunchroom? In inside lunchroom?
So the VIP.
Oh, it's a VIP?
Yep. So once regular, then you head.
Oh, over here, sir. Alright. VIP to this, regular to this side. Alright. Looking good. Setup is nice. And the great part is over here is silent, no music, just talking.
Of course I do.
So we have different booths serving different type of beverages and food. And as I said, I'm not going to take up too much time showing the lunch break, just showing you guys the setup. Over here we have a nice and lovely photo booth. Lovely. Right here we have views.
Yeah, man. Smile. Just take it normal. Let's smile. Just take it and smile.
Can do it again?
One more time.
Alright, sir. 1, 2, 3.
Alright.
And right we have the baddest photographer in Jamaica.
Whoa, I'm gone.
You want to take the picture? No?
And we have the baddest, what them call it again, live blogger. I'm at the place.
Thank you.
And over here we have the Nescafe booths. Nescafe. And the Maggie. I'm not sure what Maggie I sell, maybe That's Maggie probably serving soup. And then we have the Red Bull booth serving Red Bull. And this booth, I don't know this brand, but here it is. And we are on to the inside. I didn't expect this at all. Good vibes in here, people. There's music, but it's still good vibes. Alright people, so we are back on the road again, ready, live and active. Vibes looking good. Everybody there is going to their mind.
If you're on the road with your friend, your best friend and living your best life, put your hands in here. Hands in here. Hands in here. I don't really to walk the road. When I walk, it's problems. It's problems. 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 Ready? Festival. It'll be crying.
Somebody say ladies, can you get over? Ladies, can you get over? Get over. Ladies, you ready?
up. Pull up there. Slow down the truck. Driver. If you ever make me drop. Slow down the truck. Stop the truck, driver. Stop the truck. Yeah. Go on with the road. 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 Mix style, mix. Mix clip. Watch out, mixture.
Anytime you know they can call me, she a cooking at the morning, call me, I say call me,
Bend your back, start your back. Bend your back, start your back. Walk it up, girl. 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 Ladies, walk it up, girl. No, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Girl, rock it, set it. One, two, one, two. Start go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. I love that. Small bumper, round bumper, ladies, shake your bumper. Ladies, I want to test your knees right now. Go right now. Listen, it would not be YardMas if we didn't have a few surprises for you. I love soca. So no more really complete. That's why she's so no more. So the next one you know the man gonna stick me while the men know let me it's time on the road. 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 Yeah. I want to see a girl jump on the police bike like a truck. Two police officers in the court. No one is going through it. Get your girl jump on the police bike there. Them say the bring them down up on the road. Them say the all people down up on the road. Jump on the police then. Play them.
say walking out with Nani. On the beach, all the chicks look sunny. And all on the ground, got money, grandy. Send the road for the one short girl. All on the ground for the one short girl. And you don't really take the one short hit. Just like the bullshit. Big up YardMas. I want to bless the mass first. So I'm gonna sing to the ladies. You ready? What do you think say? Yeah, the best good in the world, say that's me. Yeah, the best good in the world, say that's me. Yeah, the best good in the world, and you have no STD. Yeah, the best good in the world, say that's me. 5, 10, 15, 20 times a week, she said. 5, 10, 15, 20, more and more. She said, she love. Not so walk till the condom, but she love. So we can sing with you. Hey girl, what's the wine on the birthday girl? What's the wine on the birthday girl? What's the wine on the? Let's go. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All the birthday is. There we go. Ladies. You're not looking lovely, but I don't want to see your faces right now. Touch your toes if you can't touch your toes, touch your knees. Let's go. Walk up on the birthday girl. Somebody walk up on the birthday girl. Oh gosh. You and I both know. Ladies, you know it go. How the YardMas badness go? How the YardMas badness go?
When it's no man right like a cyclist, and then go on your head like a Baptist. Because the prayer that I've been so much of it, and the whole weekend is a practice. I spy with my little eye, 2 bad girls bubbling.
Ladies, let me talk to you now.
I want them like drinking punch and all night. I'll be a listen this, I'll be a listen this, I'll be a touch up with those miss like a miss. Oh gosh, I'll be a listen this, I'll be a listen this, I'll be a touch up with those miss.
Take my move. Ladies, show me your favorite position right now in the road now. Let me go. Take my move. Spend all that time.
tonight. I'm going to find a guy in Kingston Jamaica. I'm going to Blackbridge.
Jesus Christ! Which you are putting out, let go! I said backers! I said backers! 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 Look at the girls who love our good backers! She like backers! She like backers! Lift her up! Jump up on the police jeep! Jump up on the police jeep! Wicked police! Warner! Hey! 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 Get on that number! Hey! Hey! I'm very low, very different in the air like a hot soap. Head on the middle. Bless God, no. Argument, YardMas. Give your hand up in the air, rag up in the air, stand up in the air, stand there. Very low. Happy to feel in the air like a hot soap. Head on the middle. Look, if I they all smell good, put something in the air. Where? Come ahead now. We don't touch it up till it's over. Hold on till it's over, turn it over. Touch it up till it's over. Hold on till it's over. So rainy. I got the job on me. I'm ready to the top. You know why YardMas call me? Grenade, I put a grenade, shut the woman. Grenade, if you touch the one, they need a mass to the front. You see the money. Stay right there, YardMas, stay right there. Oh, you stay right there. Stay right there. Stay there still. Everybody just. Get ready. YardMas, go. Very hard. Yo, YardMas, everything up. Bring them up.
Alright, so that is a wrap on today's video. Carnival 2026 YardMas. So the carnival is still active, people. I'm gonna show you what I go on. Carnival is still active, but my feet are burning, so that's a wrap for me. I don't know if they're tired, but me tired. I'm gonna go up and get dinner and then go home and upload a video. So let me see who watch it